So you want to know how to link your bank account to your Cash App account? I'm going to be showing you how to do that right here so that you can easily send money or withdraw money to and from your bank account. What you want to do first is go to your profile section. You can do that by clicking on the upper right hand section where you see that profile icon. Here you will see your name, your cash tag ID, and you will want to scroll down to where it says linked banks. Click on linked banks where you will see your debit card if you linked one, a credit card if you linked one, and a section here to link your bank account. Let's go ahead and click on link bank. You will then be taken to a secured page where you can link your bank account using Plaid. Let's read this disclaimer. It says, Cash App uses Plaid to link your bank account. By linking your bank, Plaid will have access to your login details and data collected from your accounts and will share your data with Cash App for reasons including transferring money between your bank account and Cash App, making sure you have enough money to complete transactions, and helping prevent fraud. If you want to read more of Plaid's privacy policy, they listed the link right there for you to click on. Or if you just want to click continue, go ahead and do that right there. Now you will see a list of different bank institutions. You can click on either one of these if that is where you have your bank account. And if you don't see yours on the list, you can also search for your bank's institution name in that search bar right there. One of my bank accounts is Chase, so I will go ahead and link my Chase account. So once I click on that, it says that I need to authenticate with Chase. After you select continue, you'll be taken to Chase. Authenticate with Chase, you'll be directed back to Cash App afterwards. So I'll click continue. I have my Chase app, so it will authenticate with my Chase app. I just have to put in my login credentials. Now it's asking me to share my Chase account with Cash App. So it says here how to connect with Cash App. By connecting with Cash App, you'll also be giving access to Plaid, the service Cash App uses to collect data. So let's click next right there. So now you will select the bank account that you want to use and click on connect my account. You will get an email saying that you've agreed to share your data with Cash App. Click continue. And that's it. Success. Your account has been verified. You will then be redirected back to Cash App where it says that your bank account was successfully linked. Now click on done. Now you see here that you have your bank account linked to your Cash App account. And from this point, you can add money or send money using your bank account. And there you go. You now have a linked bank account.